I normally hate electronic drums. Oh, whoa. It's never a realistic feel.
I've never really used triggers of any kind.
I can't feel a relationship as if I'm playing an instrument.
My experience with electronic drumming is limited, I would say. You know, I feel like I still need more.
Oh, man. Wow.
Whoa.
The effects are gorgeous.
It's really cool.
Super easy to use. I mean, like, they feel like real drums and you can still get all the ridiculous sounds that you want.
It's all here, so I can actually just focus and just go into the world, you know, that creative zone.
You can do a one-man show with all of this stuff. You can play the drums and you can also play bass and keyboards and saxophone. You know, I could sample Bugs Bunny if I wanted to.
It just kind of made me think of the drums as more of a melodic kind of instrument, thinking a bit more kind of orchestrally.
I've actually had dreams where I was playing drums and it sounded like a full band.
But it's also exciting to think about creating your own sounds and, you know, using this as like a platform for your own vision, you know.
You know, I need more, and this is like, give me more.
I love the fact that I can also play the sticks.
I can play the brim, I can play here, I can play there, so it's not just on the drum head.
Sensory percussion is really taking the drum set as an instrument into modern music.
Woo! Sensory percussion makes me feel so happy.